Today I'm here at the UJ mining facility, and essentially what's happening today is just being taken through just to see what the facility offers and provides. I am directly about to enter the facility. This is the entrance. Join me as I walk you through. Okay, so I guess this is the main entrance point, anchor room, etc., etc. People like that son. This is pretty cool. Oh damn.
Don't kick your highest.
Yay!
2.7. 3 times. Here we go. Give me some shit. Good job. I got an option for you. I'm like basic active.
Okay guys, now I just need you to change it so that your backside is pointing at that paper. That's all I need for us.
Remember, it must fall on that white paper next.
Yep.
That's your loading spot. That's your...
Alright, I'm waiting for you. Push your back, just get as straight as you can onto that paper.
Yeah, good day everyone. We are here to UJ at the mock mines. My name is Baseta Maras. So what's happening here is this team, they are competing against each other. So yeah, what's happening here is this team, they are trying to make to see how much production they made from this side. From taking this sand here and dumping it there at the paper, then after their time is finished, so we're going to take that paper and measure the mass of it. Then that's their daily production.
How's the other team's production? You guys already
Yeah,
made
this is the first time.
Thumbs up is a thumbs up. Not thumbs up. Thumbs up. We want a thumbs up. Yeah, we want to go down.
So this works now.
Yes.
I've got a blast hole in here. It's not active at the moment where the guys can drill and blast the stope. And then this is about the working area in the stope. Behind you will be off limits and crushing. This is literally the area, but it might be 3 times its length. 12. Everybody's trying to do their own job. That's where your gold and your platinum comes from.
So, at work we had an exercise where we were saying in which positions can you hire females. So that's what we're talking about. I say this is off limits.
You know what? You get girls that do this, but you have to be really fit. Really fit.
And obviously when you do a medical as well, they check the type
Exactly.
of food you are.
And that's our problem at varsity. Most of our kids, because they're the PlayStation generation, they can't pass the basic medical fitness.
Yes.
This is nice and cool. In a stope, this might be 36, 38 degrees Celsius if it's not up to spec. And you can expect the amount of physical labor. You need to do it fast, all of those things. So we're concentrating on the rig.
The primary risk of equipment or objects lying in the walkway underground.
Slip and fall.
Slip and fall, okay, it's part of that. Another reason is reduced ventilation airflow, increased drilling efficiency, improved ground support stability, easy access to, you guys are right, slip, trip, and fall.
Panic. If you panic, 10 minutes you're dead. Because then the air runs out. Okay, so we all get in here. I'm the most senior person. I've counted you there from the stove. You're the last person in. We close the door. When I was a lightie, there was cement and bricks here. It wasn't a door. We would literally brick ourselves in. The only air will come from that blue little exhaust that yes, we lucky is there. That's compressed air. The compressed air will then positively pressurize like an aircraft cabin, that nothing else can come in. And then you repeat after me how far. There's no such thing as an atheist in a refuge base. Because you sit here until they come and fetch you. In Chile, the guys sat there for 103 days. If it's deep, we drill a hole, that's my job. I can calculate the XYZ, I calculate the sine, cos, tan, all those beautiful things. That's what we did at school. We drill a hole into the roof, we put an 800mm hole in here, sink a capsule down, climb in the capsule, and we hoist you out. That's how they pull the guys in Chile out. So someone says, well, I'm not 80% in no problem. You'll fit eventually.
Is there enough food for you, for example, 100 days?
There's supposed to be food for 5 days, but with the zamas, stolen. So you get here, there's no water, there's no food. There's supposed to be water and food, or first aid for that matter. You see the
It's a laser scanner.
Yeah.
So you basically get points. So the laser keeps on shooting out.
Yeah.
What can I say? The laser shoots out a point. I have a laser right there. There's a laser point.
Okay.
So when the scanner is scanning, it shoots out millions of points. It collects the data. Then it basically gives you point cloud data.
Yeah.
Like millions of points.
Yeah.
Actually, take a texture.
Okay.
100 meters.
Yeah.
Then a 90-degree angle from horizontal up. So basically you get the view of like the roof and the...
Yeah.
And you can also actually then section it however you want. You also have a picture.
Okay.
So then you see, okay, this is how the image actually looks. That's my actual point cloud. And then just random intensity. This is now a grayed out point cloud.
Yeah.
So then from this you can then go to the software, generate an actual model, solid. And then you do whatever you want to do with it. You manipulate, do your designs. For the geologists, then they can map out their structures, forms, dikes, whatever. You incorporate that into your mine plans, your mine design.
Nah, thank you for that brief, bro.
Because he's sitting next to it and releasing it. Because he had the tip next to it. The previous one, the retakas, did we struggle to release it? If that hanging wall came down, would we have been safe?
Good example.
Would he have been injured?
Unfortunately, you did not quite manage to steer it.
Yeah, he would have been injured now. He was back to rock. That's why.
No, I understand.
That's
I'm
why
fully on board.
we needed you guys to see that as well. Peace of mind. Remember what I said. Peace of mind. There's no ways that I can release that one by hand. There's no ways.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need to use the releasing tool, the ratchet. I can't bend it up. I have to have a straight line. Right, so now who's next?
Yeah.
We're not for 5 minutes, that's good stuff.
Oh, to learn how to use the controls.
You don't have to blast from where I showed you or mark up from where I showed you.
Are we able to help?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What do you see? Do you see through holes?
No, here's the one below, the white one.
The white with head.
Yeah. Pick the color and then you will mark the face. Mark the face where you want to.
Since now we put it in charge, he's not supposed to delete that one.
Yeah, so that one, what that does is that it just specifies the hole. That's not going to explode. That won't blast.
Okay.
It's only once it's charged.
Okay.
It blasts.
So now you're putting your timer. Time your hole.
Are you ready to blast? Are you happy with your timings and stuff? Yeah.
Are you done? Yes. Okay. Are you happy with the pattern there?
Blast.
Okay.
If you are happy.
So main menu. There we go. Yeah. Now the button right at the top. Below. Yeah. There we go. Take a step back.
3, 2, 1.
Blasted. Are you done looking? Can I have a look? Okay. Look. What are we going to do next? How are you? Thank you.
So what's important to remember, when you do this type of measurement, you should have no obstruction between the flow of air and where you start measuring. You can't stand here and then she can't stand here now like this. And okay, let's do it now. It's not a true and accurate measurement. She actually needs to come and stand over here. Out of the way. Hold that at a point. That point there. stopwatch. Needs to come and stand. Take it up to 2.5 meters. 2.5 meters. Okay? So you stand here. I'm teaching you now. So you stand here and you look there. Okay? She'll stand there and she'll drop the powder. When she drops the powder, you start the stopwatch. As soon as the powder crosses your beam of your lamp, you stop. Because you can't look there. Now you see the powder coming, but you don't know when to stop. Because you need to stop from 2.5 meters. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. Let's try.
Okay, my shots go now. My say start. Wait, who's saying go? You! Oh! 3, 2, 1, go! Another one. Wait,
This is essentially where some of the ore or the minerals are mined, and this is one of the toughest areas that presents a working, because you tend to spend a lot of hours working here, and yeah, people normally also change shifts. This is some of the equipment that is used in here for drilling. And this is the equipment that's used for support in order to place the wooden supports. It really just depends on where you are. This is essentially the lift that is used for the operations. Maximum capacity 20 people. And yeah, we definitely know that there's usually been more people that use this as they go down underground. And yeah, there's usually a shaft, material, weight. It helps it go up and down. Yep, and that's it. That's about it.
But you can also produce your fly rock model. You can also get your timing envelope, and your timing envelope basically shows you how many holes that are going off at the same time.
Okay.
So in open cast, I don't know what they do, but in open cast you can't have a lot of holes going off at the same time. So waves, vibration,
Yeah.
fly rock.
Yes.
Yeah, you're going to create an explosion that's very much higher. So with a timing envelope, you can actually optimize, the software can actually optimize the blast for you to create single hole fire. So each hole.
Yeah.
And then you also have the fragmentation row. You can also create a surface to see how your fragmentation is. And you
that is
can
cool.
create dumps on here. You can, well, I'm in the drilling and blasting.
Okay.
department, so I can also design on here and send it to the other software. So that's
Yeah. This speaks to each other. With ease.